Ever struggled with keeping your car spotless on the go? Tired of crumbs, dirt, and pet hair taking over your seats and floor mats? What if I told you there's a portable solution designed to make car cleaning quick and easy? Let's explore its features, performance, and why it stands out. Shark Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is your ultimate cleaning companion. What's inside? Inside the box, you'll find a Shark WANDVAC Crevice Tool Multi-Surface Pet Tool. WANDVAC Charging Stand. Align the holes in the charging stand with the posts on the charging base, then place the charger cord between the posts. WANDVAC Charging Base. Keep the cord in place and slide the stand down until it clicks into place. Route the cord through the groove in the bottom of the base and out the indent in the back. Product description: ergonomic handle, LED power light, easy empty dust cup, high efficiency motor, tools for tough messes, ion charging dock. About product. The Shark Cordless Hand Vacuum is a lightweight and powerful vacuum for quick cleanups, as you can take it anywhere. It cleans tight spaces in cars, corners, and crevices with the Duster Crevice Tool. The sleek charging base provides quick access, fast charging, and dual onboard accessory storage. A high-speed, brushless motor provides unbelievable suction power in a compact form. Under 1.4 pounds, WANDVAC is incredibly easy to maneuver, perfect for quick cleans on the go. The multi-surface pet tool easily cleans pet hair from delicate fabrics and furniture. Empty debris with the touch of a button, no getting your hands dirty. Streamlined airflow and a high-speed brushless motor combine to give you accelerated suction power. Removable and hand-washable filter to maintain high cleaning efficiency. Ensures reliable and consistent performance use after use. Charging the battery. Prior to first use, the lithium-ion battery must be charged completely, even if it comes with a partial charge. Place the Shark WANDVAC onto the WANDVAC charging dock with the nozzle in the cradle. Plug the charging dock into a wall outlet. When in use, light will blink in solid blue. When battery is low, it starts blinking. On charging, the blue light will fade in and out, and when it's fully charged, the light will be dim. How to use. To use Shark WANDVAC, firstly, press power button, run the nozzle over the surface to be cleaned. To empty dust cup, slide dust cup button forward to release debris. Accessories. It comes with various accessories, as the vacuum itself has a wide opening ideal for cleaning up crumbs, but there is also a crevice tool handy to cleaning between couch cushions and narrow surfaces. It has multi-surface pet tool, as it not only picks up pet hairs, but also used for cleaning other surfaces. Maintenance. Tap filter screen to remove dust. Wipe bristles with a dry cloth. Pinch the filter housing sides and slide it forward to remove. Lift fabric filter by the metal ring over a trash can. Brush the fabric filter to remove dust. For a deeper clean, wash it with water and air dry for 24 hours, and install it back for further use. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.